Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the last one of this little series. We're talking about cutting these shapes out and making them a little faster. If you haven't watched the first couple under the same name, you might want to watch that. But we're going to make it the fastest it could possibly cut because we're going to change the cut order. So we're going to go to Windows, Dockers, Object Manager. And if you look, I click on my laser, and I think most like an epilogue laser, is going to cut from the bottom up. This is going to be the first cut. So I'm going to click on your blue line here. And then the next cut is going to be that one. See, they're jumping around. Let's go back. So it's going to cut that one first, then it's going to move over there. Well, we don't want that. We want that one next. So we're going to grab it and move it between there. So now, when we cut, well, got to grab this. It's going to cut in this order across the page. Now, also, to even make it more or even faster, we're going to optimize the pass. So this one is going to start at the top left-hand corner of your laser, and it's going to go down. This one is going to go across and back up. But this one is going to have to go from here to here, losing you time. So if you right-click on it, you can reverse the subpath. And then this one is right. So it's going to go. Now, if we're going to do more of those, you can't, well, I should have left that window open. You cannot just duplicate these over. And I'm going to show you why. Control D, and we're going to do what we did like yesterday. See, it's moving every other one. So now my cut pattern is really messed up because it's going to go there, there. It's doing the same thing, but it's having to do that. So let's just back up here. You have to group these together, Control G, and then move them over. And then we'll ungroup them. And now our cut order will be right. It's going to go across the page, saving a lot of time and a lot of space. Now, if we even go further than that, let's make sure our cut order, so this one is coming up, this one's going down, this one's going up, this one's going down, and this one's going up. So we're as fast as we can possibly be. Now we're going to take our other line and draw it across our cup. And then take our other line and draw it across the bottom. So now we have all our cut lines. But this line is at the very top. And this line is, well, let's just, it's actually is join those two lines together. Let's see what the cut, that would work, but that's not exactly what I wanted. So let's start over and draw two lines. Then I guess I need to click off of it with the pick tool and grab the 2-point line again, because I want two separate lines. So that's what we got. So now it's going to cut there, 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 and then cut the top one. Well, if we remember, this one is going up. So we don't want the laser to go from there all the way back to there. So we're going to grab this one and right click and change the subpath. So now the laser is actually going to go up here and then turn around and do that. So what do we have on this one? We've got the right. It's going to have to move a little bit. And you could play around with this and actually make this line next. So it would actually cut this box. But that's getting a little bit overboard. So think about next time you're cutting out pieces. Now, I wouldn't do this, take this time if I was only going to do this one time. But if I was going to do this again every week, once a month, or I needed to make hundreds of these, this is going to save you a tremendous amount of time and cut speed. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.